The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Two enemy company tactical groups attempted to attack Orlanka and Kotlerovka in Kharkov region at Kupiansk direction. Russian forces have repelled all the attacks. The enemy has lost over 50 personnel, 3 tanks, 4 infantry combat vehicles and 7 motor vehicles. Up to 2 battalion tactical groups of the armed forces of Ukraine made another attempt to capture Stelmachovka and Rozovka in Lugansk People's Republic at Krasny Liman direction. Attacks launched by Russian artillery and army aviation have forced the enemy to scatter and to withdraw its forces. The attacks have resulted in the elimination of 2 tanks, 5 infantry combat vehicles, 2 pickups and about 60 Ukrainian personnel. Up to 2 battalion tactical groups of the armed forces of Ukraine were conducting an offensive towards Pedikatki, Kostromka, Bezvodnoye and Pravdino in Kherson region at Nikolaev-Kryvyi Rog direction. All the attacks of the armed forces of Ukraine have been repelled by successful action of Russian forces. Over 110 Ukrainian personnel, 21 armored combat vehicles and 12 special motor vehicles have been eliminated. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 4 Ukrainian command posts, 52 artillery units at their firing positions, 164 manpower and military equipment concentration areas. 5 missile artillery armaments and munitions depots have been destroyed near Vasyukovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Novoalexandrovka, Gulaipole, Novopavlovka in Zaporozhye region, and Solonchaki in Nikolaev region. Fighter aircraft of the Russian Aerospace Forces has shot down 1 MiG-29 of Ukrainian Air Force near Chervony Zaporozhets in Dnepropetrovsk region. Russian air defense facilities have shot down 1 Su-27 airplane of Ukrainian Air Force near Porskalevka in Poltava region. Moreover, 12 unmanned aerial vehicles have been destroyed near Novoluganskoye, Staromlinovka, Novogrigorovka, Ivanovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Vladimirovka in Lugansk People's Republic, Tavriskoye, Kiselovka, Tomarino and Chaikino in Kherson region. In addition, 16 projectiles launched by US-manufactured HIMARS and Ukrainian Olha MLRS have been intercepted near Troitskoye in Lugansk People's Republic, Chernobyevka, Korsunka, Novoraisk, Kakhovka, Antonovka and Novaya Kakhovka in Kherson region. 10 US-manufactured HARM anti-radar missiles have been shot down near Guselskoye in Donetsk People's Republic and Novaya Kakhovka in Kherson region. In total, 321 airplanes and 161 helicopters, 2,211 unmanned aerial vehicles, 380 air defense missile systems, 5,720 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 868 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,467 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,529 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.